how to get first 100 subscribers in only 2 days. Yes, this is not a joke. You can literally get your first 100 subscribers guaranteed. If you get these subscribers, they help you to get millions of subscribers. And yes, they are not dead subscribers, rather they are active subscribers and watch your full content regularly. Now you have a question in your mind that what active subscribers can do. They watch your full video and YouTube think your video is amazing and YouTube will promote it to more and more people. And the topic of this video is how to get 100 subscribers only in 2 days. So these are the main point of video. The second and third point is most important. So to be honest, the method I am going to tell you is very easy to get 100 subscribers in 2 days. Anyone can do it, but if you really want to grow on YouTube, so you must do these things. I will tell you about these things at the end of this video. But first, I tell you the secret method by which you can get your first 100 subscribers. It's simple. Share your video to your potential audience. I told you to not share your video in the previous video, but the sharing of video with the potential audience is the right way to share the video. Now let's talk about what the potential audience is. Imagine if you make a video about beauty products like nail polish and ask your uncle to see this video. Will he like to see the video? Absolutely not. So you can see it clearly. He is not your potential audience. On the other hand, if you show the video to a beauty conscious girl, so she may even thank you for this video. Why? Because she is your potential audience. Now we know about what the potential audience is. So the question is where we find our potential audience. And the answer is Instagram and Facebook. Yes, the Instagram not only for scrolling and time pass, it sometimes does important work for us. So where do we find our audience on Instagram and Facebook? Let me explain to you with an example. Suppose you have a fact channel, where do you find your potential audience? It's simple. Go to YouTube and search for the same fact channel which are making videos on facts and have a good audience. Then go to their Instagram and Facebook and follow their followers because these people are the follower of the fact channel and are interested in facts. We use the pro method to approach them. If you send a link directly, they will consider it a spam. So first of all, follow the account which is public. Then go to their DM and send hi or hello and do at least 20 to 50 DMs. Remember, you check the Instagram limit before you DM. Now you wait for their reply. Who replies, send a message like this and edit it to your need. And be sure to thank them because they give you time. And tell them, if you like this video, then subscribe, otherwise don't. And paste the link of your video to the bottom. The overall message will appear like this. If you follow this method, you can get 100 subscribers only in 2 days. Some things are necessary to make it work. Otherwise, even by doing this, your channel is going to be dead. So what are these things? You will use this trick and when you see 100 subscribers, your heart want to get more subscribers to use this trick. And you take the calculator and think that 2 days means 100 subscribers and 20 days means 1000 subscribers. And I completed a condition of monetization. Wow, that's great. Wait bro and think. This is not sustainable. How many subscribers do you get from this method? 500, 800, 1000 or even 2000? What will you do next? So don't do that, okay? So what we can do? First of all, we need to know that the aim of the getting 100 subscribers means how these subscribers will grow your channel. If you really want to grow on YouTube, so understand this carefully. You need two things that are essential to grow on YouTube: good watch time and CTR. And you will not be an expert in this from the first day. It takes time to learn. So the advantage of these subscribers is now you will have 100 people who tell you where your content is lacking and you correct it. You engage them on Facebook and Instagram, talk to them, read comments, and improve your content to use this feedback. These 100 people will help you to improve your content. But how do you know that your content is improving or not? You can do it by monitoring your watch time and CTR. If you don't have any views, you don't have any data to monitor. So the aim of getting subscribers is getting data and advice to improve your content. Don't worry, I make a detailed video on how to take analysis of your channel. Now focus on the basics. Assume that your content is already excellent. Then these 100 people are enough for you to go viral. How YouTube algorithm work be like? First it show your content to 5 people. If they like this and watch the full video, then it show to 10 people. And again if they like and watch your full video, and then maybe it show to the 50 people and so on. But you already have 100 people who are your genuine subscribers and they enough to make you go viral. You are making exactly that content which they want to see. But if you focus on increasing subscribers instead of focusing on improving content, then your channel will definitely be dead. This is how you start growing on YouTube. There is still many things to learn about algorithm and growth. One video will come soon that how to make a dead channel into alive. Hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, otherwise you lose this channel and then you miss the information to grow on YouTube. If you have any question, comment below. Thank you for watching.